Meaning of HIV.
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 HIV. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, which is a virus that attacks the immune system of humans. This virus can be transmitted through contact with infected blood, semen, vaginal fluids, or breast milk. Once inside the body, HIV can destroy certain white blood cells, leading to a weakened immune system and making it harder for the body to fight off infections and diseases. If left untreated, HIV can progress to AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is a more advanced stage of the disease. However, with proper treatment, people living with HIV can lead long and healthy lives.